Well, the Richmond County School Board is talking taxes. The board holding 2 public hearings today. The board wants to raise the millage rate 10%, but for homeowners, this would mean property taxes would go down.
As property values are on the rise, so are the number of people letting the Richmond County School Board know about it.
The question in my mind pops up is what are we getting for it? What's happening? What's changing?
And what's changing is the board's intentions. Board members want to raise the millage rate 10% above the current rollback rate in order to meet their revenue goals, which is required to balance the budget. But state law also requires 3 of these hearings to take place.
We're mandated to do this because of that rollback rate. If we had gone all the way back to the rollback rate and said that's where we're going to be, then we wouldn't be having to have these public meetings. But because we were lower than last year but higher than the rollback rate in order to cover some of those shortfalls that we have that we weren't expecting.
Raising the millage rate will actually save homeowners on their property taxes this year. A board spokesperson tells us the owner of a $150,000 home will pay about $64 less than last year. The rate increase covers a $14 million increase in health care coverage for Richmond County employees, along with other expenses and stipends that aim to take care of workers in the district. But people like Wheeler are still very concerned.
I'm not getting a 23% pay raise in 2.5 years to cover a 23% increase in cost of taxes of any bills. So it scares me, and it makes me think I'm not going to be able to live in my 70-year-old non-renovated house.
The next public hearing is August 29th, with another opportunity for the people to be heard. In Augusta, Graham Lee, WJBF, News Channel 6.